Get started with your KitchenAid Gourmet Pasta Press attachment. First, prepare your pasta dough. The recipe in your use and care guide is a great starting point. Assemble the pasta press by inserting the auger into the base cross-tab first. Place your desired pasta plate onto the base, making sure the tabs are inserted into the auger. Screw the pasta ring onto the base to secure the pasta plate. Insert the assembled pasta press into the hub of your KitchenAid stand mixer and secure by tightening the hub knob. Turn your stand mixer to the speed best for your pasta plate. For fusilli, use speed 3. See your use and care guide for other recommended speeds. Divide your dough into small walnut-sized portions, dusting each portion of dough with flour to prevent sticking. Slowly feed balls of dough into the pasta press. The dough will self-feed into the auger. Wait until the auger is visible before adding the next portion. If the dough isn't catching, use the combo tool to push the dough into the auger. As the pasta exits the press, use the cutter to cut the noodles to your desired length. Set each batch of noodles aside and dust with flour so they don't stick together. Your pasta can be cooked immediately or dried in a single layer for later use. To disassemble your pasta press, first remove it from the stand mixer hub. Unscrew the pasta ring by hand or use the combo tool. Remove the pasta plate and insert a new plate. Or if you're finished cooking, use the combo tool hook to pull out the auger. Allow any excess dough in the pasta plates to dry thoroughly and use the cleaning tool to remove dried dough. The Gourmet Pasta Press attachment. Fresh, homemade pasta has never been easier. From KitchenAid.